As we close off 2024 and we head into the 2025, what do you want? You see, I asked myself that question a year ago. What do I want? And I knew that I wanted to be able to earn an income somehow on the internet that would free me up time freedom and that could provide for me financially, because I never took care of my retirement. So I knew that if I didn't do something for my retirement, I was going to work until I was 70 or 75, and please God not. I wanted to be able to also have the time freedom. I had dreams of being able to travel the world in my retirement with my family and still be able to provide for them. So I was looking for something, and then I came across a digital blueprint that I looked at, I checked it out. At first I thought, this is too good to be true, there must be something here that's a con. But no, I checked it out, I did the due diligence, and I found that this system works. Then I jumped in, and when I jumped in, the community was only at 38,000 people. Now today, as I speak to you, the community is sitting on 47,000 people. So I knew, by looking at a community of 38,000 people that time, I knew that this blueprint was working. I knew that these people were succeeding and that there was definitely no con. Now at 47,000 members in our community, thriving, some of them earning 6 or 7 figure income and in dollars, and they have time freedom and they can travel the world because their business is location free. And that's why I love the idea. I jumped in, I invested in my digital online business, and today I can honestly say to you that it's changed my life radically. And I've seen it work for thousands of people. So if you're in the situation where you need to retire, or you want to retire, or you're working in a 9-to-5 that's suffocating you and you're unable to have the time freedom that you deserve with your family, let me send you the blueprint and you check it out. See if it is something you would really be interested in. And if you're interested, that's great. Put yes in the comments below and I'll send that blueprint to you so that you can check it out. But if you are wanting to free yourself and have location freedom and have dollar freedom, put the word yes in the comments below. Let me send you the blueprint so you can check it out. See if it's something that you would be interested in. And if it feels right to you, if it's something you would like to do, then yes, I'd love to help you. Get you started so that you can project yourself into 2025 on a whole new income level. Let me send you that blueprint. And I'm wishing you all an awesome 2025 on the last day of 2024. God bless.